How to see other viewers on Facebook Story. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you guys how you can know other viewers on Facebook Story. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's get right into it. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Facebook account and make sure that you are logged in. And once you do that, your story will appear right here on the top of your screen. You can just tap on it. And then if you tap on this little eye icon at the bottom left corner, you will you will be able to see all of your story viewers. And in this case, if you have multiple viewers, you can just scroll down through their name, and at the bottom of your screen, you will see something like other viewers. Now, in order to see those viewers on your story, what you need to do is first of all, head over to the menu section, and from here, scroll down to settings and privacy, and then open up your settings. Now, once you get to your settings, just scroll down a bit until you see the preferences, and here you will have an option for content preferences, and here you can choose different options from here. And the other thing that you can do is go to audience and visibility, and here you will see an option for stories. So once you tap on stories, by default it should be set to your friends. But if you want to see those other viewers, what you have to do is head over to custom. And once you get here, you can swipe to the left of your screen and it will show you all of the other viewers of your Facebook story. So that is pretty much it for this video. I will see you on the next one.